Good afternoon to you all. Thank you so much for this opportunity. My name is Sarah Chebjira. Allow me to present to you the Ugandan Plastic Free Cities project. This is a project by Lewa University students. It majorly aims at taking an action-oriented approach to the climate change crisis. What problem are we solving? In the country currently, we are producing a lot of plastic and actually recycling very less plastic. If you're to look at these figures, it's stated that Uganda produces 600 metric tons of plastic and only 6% of that plastic is recycled. Figures by KCCA stated that in 2020, they collected 28,000 tons of plastic. That represented about 40% of the plastic. So the question would be, where does a huge 94% of the plastic produced daily end up in? And the 60%, where does it end up in, especially within cities? I believe that we are all familiar with this site. We've all seen drainage channels blocked by plastic within the city. This elaborates it more. It has really caused flooding in the country, especially in cities in the country, because drainage systems have been completely blocked, and as a result, resulting to very severe floods. This project is majorly going to focus on three major aspects. The very first one is to reduce the amount of plastic within the cities in the country, and then also to promote more recycling of plastic in the country. And also, we want to use plastic waste. We want to utilize plastic waste as a resource for the country. Our solution is that this is going to be basically through extensive plastic buyback within cities in the country. It's going to be possible through the Ugandan Clean Cities application. This application enables users to sell plastic online. It's also going to provide personalized information for what users need to do at individual levels to be part of the plastic pollution solution. And then the most unique feature about this application is it allows users to track progress within different individual cities. So, for example, every city is going to have annual plastic collection targets, and individuals within that city can track the progress in regards to the amount of plastic that they're collecting monthly within the city. Yes. So when the plastic has been collected, what happens next? The plastic is going to be taken to collection warehouses where it will be shredded. These warehouses will have shredding machines. The plastic will be basically shredded and stored, packaged. They will be basically shredded and packaged. Yes. So our major focus here is to basically create employment opportunities for youth within the cities, the unemployed youth within the cities, also to reduce the impacts of floods in cities, and to also sensitize people through the application. We also plan on, when the plastic has been collected in the warehouses, it's going to be sold to recycling companies, and most importantly, we like to export this plastic waste to countries like India, China, Taiwan. These countries always import plastic waste. So in 2020, Uganda earned about $28 million from plastic waste that was exported to these countries. And that is about 101 billion Uganda shillings of revenue that Uganda earned from these exports. So our plan is to step up to increase these exports by about 50%. That will earn the country huge returns in terms of revenue. Yes, so we believe that this project is surely a solution to plastic pollution in the country. It's also going to fully engage citizens in the country to become part of the solution to plastic pollution. And most importantly, it's going to make Uganda become a model plastic-free city to the rest of the world. Thank you very much, and thank you for the support that you've given us.